Seniors, you've been told for years that walking is the best exercise after 60. You've been encouraged to hit your step goals and wear those trackers, believing that walking alone would be the answer to staying healthy and strong. But what if I told you that walking alone, especially as you get older, might not be enough? In fact, it could be silently contributing to joint breakdown, and you may not even realize it. After performing over 12,000 surgeries, I've seen the pattern. Even the most dedicated walkers end up in my operating room with joint issues like knee, hip, and spine damage. So, what's the real solution to maintaining your independence and staying strong as you age? It's not just about moving your body. It's about activating the right muscles and protecting your joints from wear and tear. Today, I'm going to reveal 5 exercises that are scientifically proven to be far more effective than walking when it comes to rebuilding strength, protecting your joints, and transforming the way you move for the rest of your life. These exercises are surgeon-approved, gentle on the body, and designed to help you regain and maintain the strength and independence you need to live your best life. Let's start with the first movement. It's one of the most powerful exercises for seniors and one that you can do from the comfort of your home. Wall push-ups. Now, I know what you're thinking. Push-ups sound like something out of a military workout, right? But wall push-ups are gentle, beginner-friendly, and incredibly effective. Most seniors lose upper body strength much faster than they realize, and this can make everyday tasks like opening jars, pushing yourself out of a chair, or even catching yourself if you stumble feel like impossible feats. Walking doesn't do much to address these issues, but wall push-ups target multiple muscle groups at once, including the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core, giving you the strength you need to feel steadier, more resilient, and more independent. In fact, studies show that seniors who perform just 3 sets of wall push-ups a week can increase upper body strength by 34% in just 8 weeks. That's nearly 5 times more than the improvement from walking alone. Next up is the chair squat. This simple yet incredibly effective exercise targets the muscles in your thighs, hips, and glutes, critical muscles that weaken with age. As we get older, the strength in our lower body, especially our quadriceps, diminishes rapidly. In fact, if you're between 50 and 80, you can lose up to 40% of your thigh strength. This loss of muscle can severely affect your ability to stand up from a chair, get out of the car, or climb stairs, all actions that most people take for granted. Chair squats help to rebuild these essential muscles and have been shown to increase your ability to stand up by 40%. But it's not just about getting up easier, it's about retaining your independence. The controlled movement of chair squats also improves your muscle strength faster than traditional exercise, with less strain on your cardiovascular system, making it ideal for seniors concerned about heart health. After practicing chair squats for just a few months, you'll find yourself moving more freely and with less pain, and the difference can be life-changing. Now let's talk about balance. If you've ever felt unsteady on your feet, or you're concerned about falls, the single leg stand is your answer. Balance is often overlooked as an essential skill, but it's actually one of the most important factors in maintaining independence as we age. Studies show that seniors who can balance on one leg for 10 seconds have a 50% lower risk of death in the next 7 years. That's not just a statistic. It's a clear indicator that your balance is a direct reflection of your overall health and longevity. The single leg stand works by engaging your inner ear, your visual system, and the nerves in your lower body that tell your brain where you are in space. With just 5 minutes a day of single leg stands, you can reduce your fall risk by more than 36%, improve your walking speed, and even boost your brain function. So when you feel your balance improving, you're not just protecting your body, you're investing in your mind as well. Another exercise that's crucial for seniors is the resistance band row. Poor posture is a common issue that develops over time, especially in seniors. If you've ever noticed yourself slouching or having a rounded back, you're not alone. This forward hunch, known as kyphosis, can lead to back pain, difficulty breathing, and even digestive issues. But you don't have to live with it. Resistance band rows are an easy, low-impact exercise that can help strengthen the muscles responsible for pulling your shoulders back and aligning your spine. Strengthening the muscles in your upper back, such as the rhomboids and the middle trapezius, helps to reverse that hunch and improves your posture significantly. Not only does it reduce back pain and tension, but it also boosts your balance and stability. After just a few weeks of resistance band rows, you'll notice that you stand taller, feel more confident, and experience less pain in your back and neck. The beauty of this exercise is that you can adjust the intensity with the resistance band, making it perfect for seniors at any fitness level. Finally, let's talk about the calf raise. This simple exercise is often underestimated, but it has a profound impact on your mobility and independence. Your calf muscles act like a second heart, pumping blood throughout your body every time you lift your heels. But as we age, these muscles weaken, leading to poor circulation, instability in the ankles, and an increased risk of falls. Heel raises are a perfect solution. By strengthening your calves, you improve circulation, stabilize your ankles, and protect your knees from strain. Just a few minutes a day can help you move more efficiently, walk with confidence, and reduce your risk of falls. In fact, strengthening your calves is one of the most effective ways to protect your knees and improve your walking speed. Seniors who practice heel raises regularly report feeling more stable, walking with more power, and feeling more confident in their movements. These 5 exercises are more than just movements. They're life-changing practices that can help you maintain your independence, strengthen your body, and prevent injury. The beauty of these exercises is that they are accessible to everyone, regardless of fitness level, and they don't require expensive equipment or memberships. The key is consistency and commitment. Start with just 1 or 2 exercises and gradually increase as your strength improves. Remember, it's never too late to start. Whether you're in your 60s, 70s, 80s, or even 90s, your body is capable of incredible things. Take control of your health today, and your future self will thank you. So, what's stopping you? The first step is always the hardest, but once you begin to feel stronger, more confident, and more capable in your body, you'll wonder why you waited so long. Start today. Choose 1 exercise, commit to it, and watch how your body transforms. Share this video with someone you care about, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more expert-approved senior health tips. Take charge of your future now.